I've zooshed up my studio. Let's go on a little tour. Here we are in my creative corner. Can water my plants.
Bro,
Read a book.
could be quite nice for supper.
Chat to Marianne. Did you see the prints? I put up the prints.
She can't even hear me. I just come here and I know the inspiration will find me.
Let's make a side table. Welcome to my crafting station. This is where I make things, craft things, and map out my ideas. Let's go! Let's rummage for some materials in my cute little new kitchen area. What are you going to do with all those bowls?
Can't wait to show you.
Welcome to the tool area 3.0. How cute, hey? So let's make our base. Today we're using PVC cement. No room for error. Just wiping away the little bits that squeezed out.
Okay.
Now for our next bowl. Very therapeutic this. It's actually looking pretty good if you ask me. Should have been an architect, Suzelle. Laaste enetjie. I've actually found something that's a way better size.
Adios, my darling. I will use you for something else, okay?
Up high, down low. In heaven, 6-7. Visibility is not great in these. Woo! Always use a good quality spray paint, guys.
Just waiting for the paint to dry. I love this little space. I've got everything I need, except the air fryer. Don't have that yet. So, wink, wink, nudge, nudge, air fryer peeps.
Our glue and our paint is dry. Come on, my shiny orange darling.
Let's pop on the top of our table.
Now, guys, Suzelle, did you buy this at a designer Italian furniture shop? No.
I made it.
With bowls. Let's pop it in situ. There's it. Dopamine side table.
That's what the kids are calling it, eh?
And you know what else?
The architecture magazines are going to
Come knocking.
when they see this, what I've done here, they're going to come knocking.
DIY. Because anybody can.